Ground and cockpit.
All right, so just think about that.
Hey, got you loud and clear. How you doing?
Good morning. We are locked and secured downstairs. Is it all right to take off the AC?
Yeah, you can go ahead and pull that. You do know we need a ground start, though.
That's correct.
Okay.
And ramp, good morning, American 1 Heavy. Gate 39, we need to start one of our engines here at the gate. Clear to start?
Trip 1, you're clear to start one of your engines at the gate. Copy.
Thank you. Clear to start.
And here comes the right.
Can we disconnect?
Yeah, you can go ahead and disconnect, and we'll do a cross-speed start when we get out there.
Copy that.
Cindy, so you're all set, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Go ahead and close the door if you want there. Thank you. Appreciate it.
And ramp, good morning again. It's American 1 Heavy. Push gate 39, please.
Trip 1, you are clear to push off of gate number 39. Call for taxi.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
686, good morning. Give way to company pushing off of gate number 39. Once he taxis out, you'll be clear to push.
And cockpit ground.
Go ahead.
Yeah, they want us to pull. They want you to pull us up to the top of the alley.
Copy that.
Disconnect and just confirm there's nobody behind us to do that cross-speed start, right?
There's no one behind you. You are clear to start. Clear to start.
Okay, Roger. Cleared to start.
All right, I see you got the engine started. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. You have a good day now.
And ramp, it's American 1 Heavy. Taxi.
Trip 1, over to ground. You guys have a great flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Kennedy ground, good morning. It's American 1 Heavy. November Charlie. Numbers, information, Gulf.
American 1 Heavy, Kennedy ground, runway 31 left departure, taxi left Alpha, and hold short of Juliet. Correction, left Bravo, hold short of Juliet.
Okay, left Bravo to hold short of Juliet, American 1 Heavy.
And ramp, American 1.
American 1, go ahead.
Yeah, we're going to stay right here for just a second if it won't block you up to check out a maintenance problem here.
And Kennedy ground, American 1 Heavy, November Charlie, ready to taxi.
American 1 Heavy, Kennedy ground, 31 left. And let's see. I'm sorry, you're coming out of where?
We're coming out of November Charlie now with information, Gulf.
American, I follow your company Airbus. He's right there off your right side. Follow the company Airbus.
Okay, we'll follow company Airbus, American 1 Heavy.
Okay, American 1 Heavy, hold short of hotel, please.
We'll hold short of hotel, American 1 Heavy.
Thank you.
Weights, winds, temperatures checked. Be ready to take off. Runway 31 left. And from the intersection here at New York's JFK, take off net about.
Okay, we're set. Standard altitude.
Hey, American 1 Heavy, at taxiway Gulf. You'll follow British Airways to 747, towers 19-1. So long.
Okay, we'll follow British Airways at Gulf, tower 19-1, American 1 Heavy.
Thanks, American 1 Heavy, 31 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, American 1 Heavy.
Takeoff checklist complete.
How from, sir? Agent.
Kennedy Tower, come here, 75.
I'm at 75.
80 knots. A1, rotate. B2.
Response right here.
On the right job.
American 1 Heavy, contact New York departure. Good day.
Over departure, American 1 Heavy, good day. Kennedy departure, American 1 Heavy, passing 1.5 for 5,000.
American 1 Heavy, New York departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 7,000.
7,000, American 1 Heavy. American 1 Heavy traffic, 1 o'clock, 7 miles, eastbound, Cherokee, 7,500 VFR. American 1 Heavy searching, negative contact. American 1 Heavy traffic's 2 o'clock, 3 miles, you'll pass east of them. Climb and maintain 1-1000. American Heavy 1-1000. American 1 Heavy, contact near departure 124.75, good day. 2475, American 1 Heavy, good day. New York departure, American 1 Heavy at a 9,000 for 1-1000.
American 1 Heavy, direct Robbinsville, maintain 17,000.
Direct Robbinsville, 17,000, American 1 Heavy.
American 1 Heavy, maintain 17,000, contact New York Center 134.6, have a good day.
34.6, American 1 Heavy, good day. New York, American 1 out of 1-1000 for 17,000.
American 1, New York Center, roger.
All right, reroute for weather. Bel Air, Jet 80.
American 1, climb and maintain flight level 400.
And for American 1, can we level off at 380, please?
American 1, roger. Remaining altitude, maintain flight level 380.
380 for American 1.
American 1, contact LA Center 133.55, have a good day.
3355, American 1, have a good day. Los Angeles, American 1, level 400, good ride.
American 1, Los Angeles, roger.
American 1 Heavy, resume normal speed, contact approach 128.5, good day.
Normal speed 28.5, American 1 Heavy. Los Angeles approach, American 1 Heavy out of 11.3, runway 24 left.
American 1 Heavy, SoCal approach at Hurler, cleared ILS runway 24 left approach.
At Hurler, cleared the ILS 24 left approach, American 1 Heavy.
American 1 Heavy, reduce speed to 210.
Flown to 210, American 1 Heavy.
American 1 Heavy, traffic at 10:30, 5 miles of training base to follow for the South Complex and Embraer jet, reduce speed to 180.
Flown to 180, negative contact with the traffic, American 1 Heavy. American 1 Heavy has the traffic in sight, low.
American 1 Heavy there for the South Complex, thank you.
American 1 Heavy has traffic in sight.
American 1 Heavy, they will land runway 24 right, follow them to the airport, clear visual approach, runway 24 left, maintain 180 knots.
Traffic in sight, cleared the visual approach, runway 24 left, American 1 Heavy.
American 1 Heavy, Los Angeles Airbus, holding in position, wind 24011, or 24 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 24 left, American 1 Heavy.
300. $200.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Deployed.
American 1 Heavy, keep her rolling all the way down to Alpha Alpha, please.
All the way down to Alpha Alpha, American 1 Heavy.
Cheers 8 for exchange crew, good day. American 1 Heavy, turn left at Alpha Alpha, contact ground point 65.
Left turn Alpha Alpha, ground 65, American 1 Heavy. And ground American 1 Heavy, clear of 24 left, Alpha Alpha.
American 1 Heavy, Los Angeles taxi straight via the bridge route.
Bridge route, straight across, American 1 Heavy, good day. And Los Angeles ground, American 1 Heavy, approaching checkpoint 3.
American 1 Heavy, Los Angeles ground, left on Bravo, what is your gate?
Left on Bravo, it's gate 47 Bravo for American 1.
American 1 Heavy, hold short of Sierra.
Okay, left turn Bravo to hold short of Sierra, American 1. We're taxiing a little slower today to give some camera people the opportunity to set up at our gate. And ground American 1 Heavy holding short Bravo 16. We've been cleared into the gate.
American 1 Heavy, taxi Bravo to the gate.
Bravo to the gate, American 1 Heavy. Thanks for the help today.